Now, let's examine the world of storage. So, what are the uses of hard drive, RAM, and ROM, and how do they coordinate with each other in a computer system while playing a game?
Thanks for having me. Today we are looking at the uses of ROM, RAM, and the CPU, and which will be the best to utilize your skills in gaming. From this video you will learn to choose the appropriate devices for upgrading, as well as their applications in our daily lives.
Now, a massive prep bench means that there are more ingredients for a complex recipe. Here, what if the gamer uses a weak and old CPU, which works slowly?
Simple. Just consider your computer the Master Chef's kitchen. Have you been watching Master Chef, the renowned TVB program? I believe, yes. Similarly, the computer works like the cafe and the competition arena there. The CPU, like Gordon Ramsay, is the head chef of the kitchen. It acts like the elite standing at the pass. Inside this chef's mind, the control unit manages the chaotic workflow and orders, whilst the arithmetic logic unit executes the intense, precise culinary calculations. The hard drive, your SSD or HDD, is the massive permanent ingredient pantry at the back of the arena. However, a contestant cannot run to the pantry for every single grain of salt during a timed challenge. So, they lay ingredients out on their MasterChef prep bench, which represents your RAM. RAM is primary, volatile storage that holds the data currently in use so the chef can grab it instantly.
So, when this comes up in the exam, what is the biggest mistake students make?
Ah, the ultimate competitive blunder. If you install a massive prep bench but your MasterChef is incredibly slow and inexperienced, the dishes are still going to hit the pass at a snail's pace. A weak CPU lacks the cores or clock speed to process intense game physics and AI logic. Furthermore, internal processor components like the cache memory, which is the tiny spice rack sitting directly next to the chef for ultra-fast access, remain unchanged. While a larger bench reduces loading times and asset streaming stutter, the active execution of the game stalls at the cook's level. In the arena, we call this a hardware bottleneck.
Wow, good catch. So the key is that balanced specifications across the CPU, RAM, and storage are required to prevent performance bottlenecks. You cannot rely solely on secondary or primary storage to do the professor's job.
Exactly. To test yourself, try to answer this. Using the MasterChef analogy from the video, explain why upgrading a computer's RAM capacity will not significantly improve gaming frame rates if the system is running a weak CPU.
Feel free to leave your views. Thanks for listening to ICT Every Day. See you next time.